Today, we're diving into the world of Weight Watchers and exploring a topic that many of you may find incredibly useful: foods that have 0 points on the Weight Watchers program. Whether you're a seasoned Weight Watchers member or just starting out on your wellness journey, knowing which foods you can enjoy freely can be a game changer. So let's get started. Before we jump into our list of 0-point foods, let's quickly go over what Weight Watchers is all about. Weight Watchers, now known as WW, is a popular weight loss program that focuses on healthy eating habits and lifestyle changes. One of the key elements of the program is its point system, where foods are assigned a point value based on their nutritional content. Now, the beauty of the Weight Watchers program is that it encourages flexibility and allows you to enjoy a wide variety of foods while still staying on track with your goals. And one of the ways it does this is by offering a list of foods that have 0 points, meaning you can eat them without having to worry about tracking them in your daily point allowance. Let's take a look at some of these foods. First up, we have fruits and vegetables, nature's bounty of nutritious goodness. Many fruits and non-starchy vegetables are 0 points on the Weight Watchers program, which means you can fill up on them without using up any of your daily points. Some examples of 0-point fruits include apples, oranges, strawberries, and watermelon. And when it comes to vegetables, options like spinach, broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers are all fair game. These foods are not only low in calories, but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to stay satisfied and nourished. Next on our list of 0-point foods are lean proteins and seafood. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, and incorporating lean sources into your diet can help you feel full and satisfied. Some 0-point protein options include skinless chicken breast, turkey breast, eggs, and tofu. And if you're a seafood lover, you'll be happy to know that many varieties such as shrimp, salmon, and cod also make the list. Just be mindful of how you prepare these foods. Opt for grilling, baking, or steaming instead of frying to keep them as healthy as possible. Moving on, we have non-fat dairy and plant-based alternatives. These options are not only delicious, but also provide essential nutrients like calcium and vitamin D. Non-fat Greek yogurt, fat-free cottage cheese, and skim milk are all 0-point dairy choices that you can enjoy. And if you're following a plant-based diet or simply looking to mix things up, options like unsweetened almond milk, soy milk, and tofu are also on the 0-point list. Just be sure to check for added sugars in any packaged products. As you can see, there are plenty of delicious and nutritious foods that you can enjoy freely on the Weight Watchers program. Incorporating these 0-point foods into your meals and snacks can help you stay satisfied, fuel your body with essential nutrients, and ultimately reach your wellness goals. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips for incorporating 0-point foods into your diet. 1. Get creative with your meals. Experiment with different fruits, vegetables, proteins, and dairy options to keep things interesting. 2. Keep 0-point foods on hand for quick and easy snacks. Having cut-up veggies or Greek yogurt readily available can help you make healthier choices throughout the day. 3. Don't forget about portion control. While these foods may be 0 points, it's still important to practice mindful eating and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. And there you have it, a closer look at some of the foods that have 0 points on the Weight Watchers program. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring on your journey to health and wellness. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips, recipes, and inspiration. Until next time, take care and happy eating!